gonna do a maintenance on this Minisplit. I don't know why it's sitting in the dirt. It does need to be maintained. It's got 100 and I think it was 127 degree air coming out of there during heat mode. So we're gonna clean it up. Okay.
You'll get a false reading on your gauges if the unit is dirty. Dirty filter, dirty condenser, not a good combo. The evaporator coil doesn't look too bad, but looks can be deceiving. The lint could be wedged way inside.
Filters are pretty dirty. Let's see here. The bottom part's not too bad, but the top part is. See that?
Yeah, they're plugged.
I'm going to take some of this cleaner and take it to the evaporator coil.
Are you sure about that? Some stranger driving Jim's car runs off the road. There'll be another goldfish bowl. Buddy, we're looking for a friend. Do you want the emergency one? He didn't say. Interesting folks in other worlds.
So just came to check the drain, make sure it's draining, and it is. So we know it's not clogged. Now I'm just gonna put some cram treatment in there. Green tablets here. We'll clean out the drain while it's draining, while it's working. I'm just gonna throw them in there. Let's put these in here.
So if you're living in the Southern California area, just give me a call, 323-239-6481. I'll come out and I'll clean your system and have it working like a champ. I'll give you a discount if you say you saw this video. I got senior citizen discount and veteran discounts.
gonna rinse it out now. She is blowing out 147 degree air. When we first got here, it was blowing 127. So we got the unit leveled out now off the ground, and she's doing a lot better.